Hey guys, how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or LED flash alert. Perfect when you want to catch notifications even if your phone's on silent, or you just want your iPhone to blink like it's sending Morse code. So, if you want to know how to do it, go ahead to the settings, get to that or locate accessibility, and find audio and visuals, right? Audio and visuals right here. Alright, and you're gonna find LED, LED flash for alerts. Okay, LED flash for, hit it, and just turn on the LED flash for alerts. And you can also turn on the flash while unlocked, okay, which is optional. Boom. Your phone now sparkles every time someone texts you. Dramatic but useful. Feel free to pretend it's a paparazzi. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.